This is our adventure today. Where there's a danger sign, that means an awesome viewpoint at the top. Good morning guys, Friday 30th of December, and we have made it to the start of our day today. We are going up Na Muang Waterfall. So a bit of change of pace. Been around the water a lot, been doing a lot of diving, but today we are checking out the waterfalls of Koh Samui. Na Muang I think is one of the popular ones around here. So we've just caught a jeep, tuk-tuk, whatever you want to call it here. About 20-minute ride to where we are on the southern middle part of the island. But at the start here is also an elephant, I wouldn't say a sanctuary, but a elephant place where we saw people riding elephants. So yeah, from the elephant tour yesterday, there's the answer. You can still ride elephants here in Koh Samui, whether you like it or not. That's just the way it is here. Here, you guys can go ride the elephant.
Nah, look. Look at the chain.
Yeah.
Rusty chain. And then
rusty chain on its foot.
So I don't have the heart to ride an elephant like this.
Yes, when I was looking at the reviews of this place, a lot of the negative comments for this waterfall wasn't actually about the waterfall. People enjoyed the waterfall. It was just the fact that they saw these elephants at the beginning, chained up, people riding it. Obviously not everyone's cup of tea, and that's why they've rated this place a bit low. Not a welcoming entrance for some people. Here it is, the Na Muang jungle trip. 20 minutes, 500 baht, 1 hour, 1200 baht. What's that? 50 bucks for an hour? And these are the kind of things you could do. Yay! Oh, look at you! Living her best life. So this here is Na Muang Waterfall 1. I think it's the main one you could swim in and the ones you see in the photos. So I think we're just gonna hang around here for a little bit. Number 2, you actually have to go back out the long driveway and to another spot. Oh my god, stupid ass drone. Oh my god. I hope it is not broken. Shit. I kinda yelled at it flying near the waterfall. It hadn't really locked into GPS yet, so it was flying freely with all the wind and all the change in height, and I didn't have control of it, and it was landing for some reason. I couldn't lift it up and crash landed in these bloody rocks. But I'll have a closer look later, but I think it's okay. The propellers look okay, not too wet, but the gimbal's the important thing. As long as the gimbal's intact, I think we're good. Bloody hell. Lucky I was able to land it here and not in the water, seriously. Come on E, you can do it.
Revenge, huh?
This is one really steep road. We've walked all the way to Na Muang Waterfall 2, but it's uphill. Good exercise. Not too bad if you've...
It's gonna worth the walk.
Nice.
I bet my face is red as tomato.
Yeah. I'm going already black as anything. The harder the effort, the more worth the destination, right? I climbed to the highest point of the Philippines. This is a leisurely walk compared to that. Is that where we literally have to go all the way up there? Why is this even going downhill if we have to go up? I see people at the top there though.
What?
Yeah,
there's 2 persons.
Yeah. Wow. What the hell? 80 meters high, that waterfall. 15 minutes. I don't know if it takes 15 minutes or a bit longer. Oh well, this is nice. At the base of waterfall number 2. Yeah, is it? Yeah.
Look at the green.
Where the water is, it will be more slippery. There's people up there and they got up there some way, so we're just gonna have to go follow them. Is that where I saw people?
You cannot go.
Is that where people were all the way up? I think I saw them.
I don't think anyone go up there.
But when we were walking here, we saw people all the way at the top.
Really?
Yeah, like really high up. Because I saw you guys on the rocks here. I'm like, did they go up the rocks way?
Yeah.
So I just tried to follow.
Yeah, it's like follow people here and then some group walks out and then there's nowhere to go.
I'm just gonna go chill here with you guys in this nice calm pool.
Then you can get your picture off.
Oh yeah. This is our adventure today. Where there's a danger sign, that means an awesome viewpoint at the top. Alright, making our way up to the highest viewpoint where the sign said, do not go, we shall go. Pretty steep and don't have my slippers. That is the way we have to go up. Honestly, this is just like climbing Mount Apple all over again. Radio. Yeah.
Careful!
Hold on. You okay?
Yeah. Where did we go?
Across. You been here long?
It's supposed to be 2 days ago, but
After Christmas.
Go back on the coast.
What's that? Just a couple of days as well. I came from the Philippines. I spent Christmas there, did a few hikes and diving, and then came here for the last week. And then we don't know yet. They want to. Well, they want to go to Koh Phangan. I've spent New Year's in Koh Phangan before.
I spent New Year in Koh Phangan last year.
Oh, did you? It's a bit too intense for me this time, so I don't know. I don't know yet.
But I don't like the pool with cottage club. I prefer like the one on the mountain and have like amazing.
The view of the whole beach.
Like every time, right? Or you go mountain.
Oh, yeah, it is pretty cold. Woo! Pretty deep. You wouldn't jump though, because you can't see. This is like... Can you hold this for a sec?
Okay.
This is like a...
Oh my god!
This is like an automatic swimming pool.
Automatic swimming pool. You're still there. Come on, go for a jump.
I'm not gonna jump, I don't know where the rocks are.
Gosh! Just jump. No, George, you're still there.
Does that look like the spot?
Huh?
Does that look like the spot?
Oh.
How did your photo look like? Were they maybe looking out through here? It'd be nice to jump into if you could see the bottom.
Really want to jump down. So tempting.
I don't know.
No.
I mean, I'm sure there. Depends where the rocks are. There could just be one high rock.
Yeah.
I could get in and test for you.
So?
Nah, there's rocks here. See where I'm standing? It goes like this.
Yeah. So yeah, not a good idea.
I mean, you could probably. I mean, there's no rock here. No, but it's only this high. So no.
Well, yeah, you're gonna hit something.
Yeah,
You
you
jump
will.
in there.
Okay.
Are you sure there's rock over there?
I'm not sure. That's why I'm not jumping. All right. So that's deep. No rocks there. Your turn.
Wait, let me make my
What did she say?
Just a couple months ago actually.
Really?
Yeah.
Shit.
แต่ที่แล้วก็ตกแต่ดีที่ไม่ตายแต่ตกทุกปีตายปีละ
But where?
ปีละ2 ศพเขาตกยังไงคนนั้น
Risk your life.
ตกแล้วก็คือ
But where was this? We didn't see this.
It says last week someone fell down on the side and they like you know registered them.
Lunchtime. This looks legit. Hello. You good with you? I'm good with you. Oh, yum. What have they got over there?
Oh, fish.
Sticky rice and got our chicken. Yum. And E's got her fish. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. Where?
Hello. Going out to dinner?
Okay.
You know your song? Oh, market food. We are back in the markets. Taro, blue Hawaii, cacao, iced tea, milk tea, and lollipops. Oh, this is the first time I've seen these here. This is the first time. Oh, donuts? Donuts? What?